Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can connect Wix website to your Google Search Console. That's a new update, so let's just start here. And you want to be in dashboard and write in search, get found on Google, and SEO is the first link. And you're gonna be here, so you want to start now. Next, do you have a business location? No. Would you describe your business? Close. Create SEO plan. And now it's creating. You just wait here. And then you just scroll down below and you're gonna see here, connect to Google Search Console. And here you're gonna connect it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.